Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. Today I'm going to share with you advanced level words that you can use in place of common words in order to get very high band score in listening, reading, writing and speaking. In all modules you need to have strong vocabulary, especially for writing and reading. So the word that I'm going to share with you, they are of high level and can be very beneficial for your writing and reading. The first word is constantly. So constantly we commonly use in IELTS. It means high level word is perpetually. Perpetually is a high level word and sentence can be like that. Farmers have been perpetually blocking roads against three bills. Farmers have been perpetually blocking roads against the passage of three bills in the parliament. So in this way the sentence can be written with high level word. Perpetually means constantly, or even you can say something that is happening continuously. The next word is confusion. Confusion, chaos, or high level word is pandemonium. So there was a pandemonium in the classroom when the teacher announced a reduction in the syllabus. Or there was a pandemonium in the office when the boss reduced the salary of the employees. You decided to reduce the salary or decided to cut the salary of the employees. So there was a pandemonium in the office. The next word is paucity. Paucity means shortage. Shortage is a simple word. Paucity is high level word. I could not go Dubai due to paucity of funds. I could not start new business due to paucity of funds. The next word is expert. On the high level word is luminary. Luminary means expert. Swami Ramdev was the leading luminary in the field of yoga. Swami Ramdev is a leading luminary in the field of yoga. Next word is acquainted with or familiar with. Acquainted or familiar, it simply means know. I am not well acquainted with my new science teacher. This would also be used for rules and regulations. As I am new in India, so I am not well acquainted with the traffic rules here. Incessant means continuous, something that is continuously happening. It has been raining incessantly in my town for last 2 days. Workers are on strike incessantly for last 2 weeks, or workers have been on strike incessantly for last 2 weeks. The next is relish. Relish means eating something enjoyably or with pleasure. I relish South Indian dishes the most. Slap up meals. Slap up meals, large meals, are something that you eat in large quantity. As I do lot of physical work, so I eat slap up meals during the lunch time. So slap up meals is a phrase. Exuberant. Exuberant means cheerful or extremely joyful. I felt exuberant after getting band 7 in IELTS. Number 10, humility. Instead of saying humble, you can use word humility. Although he is a strict teacher, students love him for his humility. Emerge, come out. Baby bird easily emerged from the eggshell or from the egg. Solution of every problem emerges from the problem itself. Next is fragile. Fragile is weak or something that can be easily broken. So glass is a fragile material. Handle it carefully or handle it with care. So these are the 12 words, and in the coming videos I will share more high level English vocabulary word for you. Thank you for watching this video.